Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we focus on fire safety measures for LPG tanks in buildings without sprinkler systems. Whether you are a building owner, a facility manager, or part of a real estate team, it's critical to ensure safety systems meet UAE Fire and Life Safety Code standards to protect life and property. Liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) is widely used in commercial and residential buildings, but it comes with a significant risk if not managed properly. In buildings without sprinkler systems, the presence of LPG tanks above ground, on roofs or podiums increases the need for specialized fire safety solutions. As per the UAE Fire and Life Safety Code, when a building is not sprinkled and LPG tanks are installed above ground or on elevated platforms like roofs or podiums, it is mandatory to install a dry type deluge spray system. This system acts as a first line of defense, providing rapid cooling and fire suppression in case of a fire involving LPG tanks. The deluge spray system is designed with a breaching inlet, allowing firefighters to connect hoses and supply water to the system efficiently during emergencies.